You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, I should say, from French, which is kind of a generic word in French, meaning a case, any sort of case to contain kind of anything, is going to be pronounced in French as étui. You've got an E sound, an acute, E-acute accent. Étui. Étui is the French pronunciation. Étui, un étui. In English, it's normally pronounced, it exists in English, it's been borrowed from French, it's an ornamental case in English. Étui, étui is the English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.